The first thing that you need to do when you receive your LR10 is to make sure that all of the pieces are provided in the box. This includes the shoulder pad, 2 large counterweights, 1 small counterweight, the camera mounting platform, 2 quick handles, 1 carry handle, 1 quick clamp to be used with the shoulder pad, 2 18-inch rails, 1 utility tube, thumb screws, a set of Allen wrenches, and some hardware in case you want to use the quick release plate in another application. Before you start assembling your rig, it's important to check all the threaded holes in the screws to make sure that all the threads are clear and that there's no debris that ended up in there. Otherwise, you run the risk of cross-threading something and ruining a part of your rig. The first thing that we're going to do is assemble the shoulder pad. We'll start by putting the counterweights on. You'll notice that there's a set screw in every counterweight, and that can be tightened down with one of the provided Allen wrenches. Next, you want to attach the quick clamp to the shoulder pad using the shortest thumb screw that we provide. Then, we'll take the utility tube and use one of the longer thumb screws to attach it to the alignment slot in the quick clamp. Then, we'll attach the carry handle to the utility tube using the remaining thumb screw. All of the main sections are now assembled and you're ready to attach everything to the rods. Start by sliding the rails into the quick clamp on the shoulder pad, and then cinch down the quick clamp. Next, you'll take the camera mounting platform and slide it through the rails and cinch down both of the clamps. Lastly, you'll attach both quick handles by sliding them onto the rails and twisting the handle to tighten them. Now all you have to do is attach your camera and you're ready to start shooting with your LR10. The angle of the shoulder pad can be adjusted by loosening the thumb screw, twisting the shoulder pad, and then once you find a position you like, you go ahead and tighten it back down. Since this isn't something that you'll frequently be adjusting, it's best that you tighten it down with an Allen wrench to make sure that it doesn't come loose while you're shooting. All of the thumb screws can be tightened with an Allen wrench if need be. The tension on the quick clamps can be adjusted using an 8mm wrench on the lock nut. To tighten it, simply hold the clamp and spin the lock nut. You might want to do this if you're having trouble with the rails spinning when you're using the handles, or if you're using somebody else's rails that may be slightly different size than ours.